Welcome to OnSpend. In this video, we will demonstrate how to get started and provide an overview of the most common features. In order to access OnSpend, you must be invited by either an Onyx representative or by another member of your organization. Once invited, a welcome email containing helpful information about the product, including a link to get started, will be delivered to your inbox. Click the link in the welcome email or visit onspend.onyxnet.com in your browser to log in. We recommend signing in with a Google account for the best user experience. Once logged in, you will be prompted to customize your OnSpend dashboard. This prompt only occurs the first time you log in, but you can always edit or add to your selections at any time. OnSpend offers 4 key cost indicators that give you the ability to view costs from a variety of different perspectives. For this demonstration, we will create one chart of each type. For each chart, you can customize the title, dimension, and chart type. Either line, area, bar, pie, or table charts are available for selection depending on the cost indicator selected. The dimensions selected will tell OnSpend how you wish to aggregate your cost and usage data. There are a variety of dimensions available, so feel free to experiment with different types of charts until you find the settings that work best for your business. You can also optionally apply filters that will limit the results displayed in each chart based on the filtering criteria entered. For top spend chart configurations, you can also specify a limit, which will reduce the results to the number entered. This helps identify resources that are responsible for the highest cost or usage amounts. You can edit or remove specific charts at any time by clicking the menu icon in the top right corner of each chart. Or, if you wish to add new charts, simply click the New Chart button in the top right corner of the dashboard. Each chart also includes the ability to download chart data to either a CSV or Google spreadsheet, and the ability to enlarge to view the chart in full screen. Lastly, you can customize the order of the charts in the OnSpend dashboard by clicking on the dashboard settings icon at the top right corner of the page. Simply click and drag the charts into the order you wish to see them, and click Apply. The OnSpend dashboard also allows you to drill down into child resources to view cost and usage data at a more granular level. Drill down functionality is only available for resources that contain children. In this example, my custom grouping contains a single child, the Onyx Demo subaccount. If Onyx is your premier Google Cloud or Google Maps partner, you will see a budget on your billing account that represents an estimate of charges for a specific period of time. This usually relates directly to a purchase order as seen here in this example. This allows you to easily track your cloud costs directly against a purchase order or other predetermined estimate. In addition to simply tracking and viewing progress of cost against a budget, you can also forecast costs to identify if current spending trends will keep things on budget. To enable cost forecasting, simply select a budget from the budget summary and click the Forecast button in the top right corner of the cumulative spend chart. OnSpend's cost forecasting predicts future costs based on average daily spend. If spend is predicted to remain under budget, the forecast will be extended out to the date at which the budget is expected to be exceeded. If you would like to be notified when costs exceed a certain budget threshold, you'll need to create a budget alert. To create a budget alert, click the Edit icon next to a budget in the budget summary. Scroll down and click Add Budget Alert. Give the alert a meaningful name, as this will help you identify which alert triggered a notification in the event multiple alerts have been configured from your account. Next, identify when OnSpend should trigger a notification by entering alert thresholds. By default, OnSpend sets alert thresholds to 50, 75, 90, and 100% of the total budget amount. These can be customized by entering either a specific dollar amount or a percentage of the budget. You can have as few or as many alert thresholds as you wish. Finally, identify the type of action that should be triggered when an alert threshold is exceeded. Budget actions allow you to define how you would like to be notified. By default, budget alerts are delivered via email, but OnSpend also supports the ability to have these alerts delivered via PubSub, Google Chat, Slack, or SMS. You can create additional budgets if you wish. This will help you track costs at varying time periods and give you total control over how you manage costs in your cloud environment. Monthly, quarterly, and annual budgets will automatically reset at the beginning of each new period. If you need a detailed cost report, select the export icon from the action bar at the top of the dashboard. Select a date range and the cost attributes you wish to include in the report. These selections will tell OnSpend how to aggregate or group the data in the resulting report. Next, choose the appropriate date type and export type. OnSpend supports delivering reports to CSV, Google Spreadsheet, BigQuery, or Google Cloud Storage. In this case, I will have a cost report aggregated by project and product delivered to a Google Spreadsheet. As you can see here, the resulting report shows a breakdown of usage cost, any applicable credits, and the final net cost by project and product. You can have reports generated automatically on a set interval by creating an automated OnSpend report. To create an automated report, navigate to the Reports view and click Create Report. Complete the automated report form based on your specific reporting requirements. At the conclusion of the time period selected, OnSpend will automatically deliver a report to your inbox, along with a summary of costs and visualizations. One of the main differentiating features of OnSpend is the ability to create custom resource groups. These groups allow you to easily and efficiently allocate resources, whether they be specific projects or entire billing accounts, to a grouping you specify. For example, your organization needs the ability to charge back monthly GCP or MAPS cost to internal cost centers or departments. You can simply create a new custom resource group named for a cost center or department. To allocate resources, navigate to or search for a specific project or billing account. Click the Add To button at the top of the page. Next, select the new department group that was previously created. Repeat this process for each project or billing account that should be allocated to the new department grouping. You'll notice when we look at the new department grouping that it now contains the projects selected in the previous steps. You can now manage this new custom grouping just as you would any other resource in OnSpend. This means you can visualize costs, create and manage budgets, alerts, and reports. Additionally, custom groups give you the flexibility to share a specific collection of resources with other users. In this case, I'm going to grant the Department Administrator of Department A edit access. This will allow the Department Administrator to view and manage costs related to their department only, directly in OnSpend. OnSpend also provides a view of your monthly GCP or MAPS invoices. Back on the OnSpend dashboard, click the invoice icon from the action bar. This will launch the invoice view. All costs reported in OnSpend, including costs here in the invoice view, are pre-tax and may not represent the actual amount invoiced if other adjustments or discounts are provided. Similarly to the custom reports, you can select the cost attributes from the column selector to retrieve a detailed breakdown grouped by the value selected. The invoice details can also be exported to a CSV or Google Spreadsheet for further analysis. OnSpend offers a number of other features, including the ability to plan and monitor project milestones, detect cost anomalies, and execute budget reports, to name a few. To learn more about these features and everything else presented in this video, visit the OnSpend documentation and help site. OnSpend also includes a backend API for customers that qualify. If you wish to programmatically access OnSpend resources or data, please complete the API request form and someone will be in contact to determine eligibility. You can also view the latest release notes and news to see what's new in the application. Lastly, if you require technical assistance or did not find the answer to a question, please reach out to us at onspend.support@onyxnet.com and one of our technical support agents will be happy to assist. Additionally, if you have feedback or would like to request a new feature, please complete the OnSpend feedback and feature request form. We appreciate your feedback and continued business. Thank you, and we look forward to serving all of your cost management needs.